Welcome. This will be our last load planning release of 2021. We'll continue to work developing new features for the remainder of the year. Restore tutorial has been removed from the About pull-down. To access the shortcut keys, just press and hold Shift and select the question mark. A table will appear with shortcut keys that apply to the current view, which in this case is the staging view. When I change the view to loading view, the table will be cleared. When I open the table again, pressing and holding the Shift and question mark key, notice the table contains different shortcut keys that apply to the loading view. To close the table, simply press and hold the Shift and question mark key once again. IFC update designation was considered a misrepresentation of the tool, so we modified the name to update model to more accurately represent what the tool does. We came across an instance where it was necessary to set the location of the trailer library. The way it works with 2021-05 is if you already have load planning installed, you will not even notice any difference. But in the settings, preferences, the current path to the trailers, which is in the user documents location, will be automatically set. New installs on machines that have never had load planning installed will now point to the hidden app data local design data Fortosi location. Finally, if you want, you can set the location for the trailers anywhere on your system or network. For the repeat resting orientation command, you can now select multiple loadables and rotate them in one shot. Note that the repeat resting orientation will only be applied using the last stored orientation created by using the reorient command. From the settings pull-down, in Preferences, a snapping distance has been added. Before I begin, I would like to point out that the dunnage grid distance is at 3 inches. We've added a snapping distance, which is currently at 0. The reason for this is due to 2 requests. Some clients place a specified blocking between the main part of the loadables. The other reason is that when you're loading or offloading with a crane, you'll need a space to pull the chain out. At 0, the system will move the loadables as close as possible with the snap command. Here are some examples with the snap distance set to 0. But if you set a snapping distance like 3 inches, you will see the main material of the loadables will be 3 inches apart. Remember, the grid was set to 3 inches. But if an extrusion on a loadable, like in this case, there is a plate, the 2 closest loadables that are being snapped on the dunnage will get as close as possible. This halo, as we call it, and the multi-repeat resting orientation should help to greatly reduce your loading time. Have a profitable remaining year till we meet again. Thank you.